15.6-inch laptop with Windows 11 Pro. This laptop combines high performance and ease of use, making it perfect for both work and entertainment. Let's take a look at its key features. Bright and clear screen, with a 15.6-inch Full HD 1920x1080 display, you get high-quality images for work, video playback, and photo viewing. Windows 11 Pro, the pre-installed operating system, provides convenience and security, as well as access to a variety of new features to enhance productivity. Intel processor. With a powerful Intel processor, you can multitask and run multiple applications simultaneously without slowdowns. 12GB DDR4 RAM allows for multitasking and running applications smoothly. SSD storage. Choose from SSD storage options ranging from 128GB to 1TB for fast boot up and data storage. Connectivity. The presence of an HDMI port allows for portable design. The lightweight and compact design make this laptop convenient for travel and use on the go. This 15.6-inch laptop with Windows 11 Pro is an excellent choice for those seeking a powerful and convenient device at an affordable price.